Hey everybody, I just wanted to welcome you to the free Photoshop training DVD contest. I'm going to be giving away a free step-by-step Photoshop training on a DVD for one lucky winner starting this month, and I'm thinking about continuing this contest on for the next few months, maybe for I don't know how long, but I definitely want to get this into the hands of many people. So what I'd like to do is show you really quickly how to actually join the contest, because there's actually 3 steps, and I think maybe some people are getting confused. I've noticed that as people are entering the contest, they're not getting all the way through the 3 steps. So just to really clarify how this works, this is what's going to happen. What I would recommend is, first of all, when you're on the Photoshop Demos tutorial, here's my homepage, photoshopdemos.com. You'll see all this. Before you click on join the contest, actually go down here where it says read more, so you can click on that. This is going to take you to the full page that kind of tells you what's on the DVD. There's a lot more than this, but this is just some of the basics. It's actually over 8 hours of Photoshop training, which will give you step-by-step instruction on some of the most essential tools in Photoshop. And then here's some rules about the contest, just some of the things that you really need to look at and consider before joining. Now, going back up, you can go ahead and click on join the contest, click here. So when you start the contest, I want to just really remind people, this contest is also done through Twitter. So what I'm going to be doing is using this form to track who's actually retweeting the messages that I'm posting. So this is the way it works. You're going to go ahead and fill out your username, your Twitter username. I'll go ahead and enter mine now. It's AC661. First name is Aaron. Email, I'm going to just go ahead and make something up here right now. Alright, and then enter the letters WHEN as it shows on the security box here, and then submit. Once you submit that, it's going to actually take you to step 2. Now step 2 will tell you exact instructions. It says, in order for us to give you a free Photoshop DVD tutorial DVD, you must follow these instructions. What you're going to do is you're going to actually go over to twitter.com and you're going to follow me, which my username at Twitter is AC661. Now, if you're not on Twitter, you're not going to really be able to fulfill your contest entry. Twitter is free to use. It's a microblogging application that's online. It's really popular. If you haven't noticed already, if you're not online that often, it's becoming more popular than MySpace and Facebook. And it's definitely a fun tool to use. But anyway, what you're going to do is I recommend, before signing up, before going over to Twitter, it says retweet this message. So what you can actually do is click and drag right on top of this message, and you want to take this entire message and you're going to post this on your own Twitter account. So once you select that text, go ahead and hit Control C, okay, and then we're going to want to come back to this page. So when you click here to go to Twitter, so this is going to open a new window. You can always come back to my website here. If you're using Firefox, this will open up in a new tab. If you're using IE, it'll open up in a new window. And then you'll come back over to Twitter. Here's Twitter. And you'll go ahead and either create an account or log in. And what you can do is, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account here. And go ahead and sign in. And what you'll want to do is go to Find People. And what you can, in this little box here, you're going to type in my Twitter name, AC661. So you're going to search for me. You'll find me. You can see my little profile photo here. And then you can see my username, AC661, so you know that's me. And actually right here, because this is my own account, there'll actually be a little button right here that says follow. So let's actually look up some other people. I'm going to type in Photoshop right now, just to look up some people that are maybe interested in Photoshop, and you'll see that there's a button that says follow. So if you want to follow these people, you can go ahead and hit follow. So let's go ahead and see what happens. This guy, Photoshop GU, maybe that stands for Guru, I don't know. but I'm going to follow this guy. So I'm going to click on follow, and now you'll see that says follow. Now if I come back up to my own profile, I'll see that I'm actually following 136 people. Okay, so I can actually either click on this link here, or I can do view all under following, and I can see all the people that I'm following. Here's the new guy that I'm following, and here's all the other people that I'm following. Okay, so with that being said, the next thing you need to do is click on the home button on Twitter, and it says, what are you doing? So remember that message that I mentioned earlier? You're going to use Control V on your keyboard and paste in that message. You can see it now. It says RT space at AC661, and then the rest of the messages here. Now you're going to go ahead and hit update, and that's going to post to your blog, and it's going to show that you've actually posted that message. I'm not going to do it right now because I've already done it, and that's going to post to your own blog. Now once you're following me and you've posted this message, that's the completion of step 2. Now for step 3, go ahead and come back to my blog where I showed you that you have this extra tab or the other window, and then come to go back to step 3. Or I'm sorry, go to step 3. So the next thing on step 3 is I'd like you to take a look at some of these other partners that I have, and go ahead and either join their contest or check out some of their other offers. I've got some cool stuff on here for Rock Band, and also to get a Wii bundle. Some of these actually, these are just free contests to enter. You don't have to pay for any of these. These are just the free things to check out. The Kodak Gallery is free to use. That's really cool. You can upload all your photos online and make all kinds of cool postcards and stuff like that. And then these are just free. You can just totally, actually these are contests. These are giveaway contests. Just want you to check those out. You can join one of those. And once you're done with that, I mean, that's really the end of this particular contest. That will complete your entry. And once you're fully finished with all 3 steps, who knows, you might be the lucky winner. Again, this is a free tutorial training DVD on Photoshop CS3. There's over 8 hours of step-by-step instruction. It's all broken down and categorized into different sections for each tool in each menu and each process in Photoshop. So it's a very, very informative lesson on Photoshop, and it's going to really jumpstart anything that you're doing on Photoshop if you're a newbie, or if you're, just getting to know the application, or if you feel like you're a little bit more confident in it, it'll maybe help you refresh a few things. But anyway, that's the end of this contest. That's the end of this tutorial. If you have any other further questions, feel free to email me at support@photoshopdemos.com. Thanks.